Okay, the first step is we should set up the AR foundation and also the Android platform and all the settings about AR foundation and AR core in our Unity project. First, we should assure that the platform of the project has been selected to Android. So, if you are not in the Android mode, please select Android, and instead of build button, we will have switch platform, exactly like here. Look at this. Click on switch platform and wait until it switches to Android platform. After that, we should do some changes in player settings. In the player settings, first, in the resolution and presentation, I propose to change the default orientation to landscape left. By default, it is auto rotation, but I propose to change it to a landscape left or portrait. My main is for keeping safe the optimization and also the orientation of the game. Select one orientation fixed, not auto rotation. Okay, after that, let's go to the other settings. First, by default, the graphics APIs has OpenGLES 3 and Vulkan. I propose to remove Vulkan because Vulkan is not suitable for this kind of projects. And second item is check off multi-threaded rendering. You don't need it, so check it off. And after that, let's select a package name for your project. For example, I selected Elon Team and VR6 and you need to do the same here. Not Elon Team with your company name or with your custom name. The minimum API level has to be the Android version of your phone, or the best version of your client's phone. And the next part is scripting backend in the configuration. And by default, it is mono. I propose to change it IL2 CPP because AR Foundation works better with this guy. And remember, you need to assure that ARMv7 and ARM64, both of them have to be, checked on, and it is necessary for your project. Okay, until now we are done with this project settings, and the next step is we should go to the package manager and select on AR. It has 5 packages: AR Foundation, Apple AR Kit, Google AR Core, Magic Leap, and OpenXR plugin. Just need to select on hit the install button to install the whole packages. By default, I already installed them to save the time of the video clip. And after we do this part, we should go over the edit and project settings, and here XR plugin management. By default, XR plugin management is not installed on your computer, on your project. You just need to install it. After that, select the Android platform and assure that the Google AR Core has been selected. By default, it's not selected. You need to assure that you clicked it and wait for the loading is done. After that, you will have the package of AR Core into your project. And it is the sign off whenever you have done all steps successfully and completely. Whenever you go to the game object in the you will have XR subject section, and you will see these list of objects over here. Okay, the preparation step has been done. In the next step, we will talk about how we can make a simple AR scene and how we can connect the AR camera to VR camera. Okay, let's go to the next step.